We are pleased to announce the Sir Robert Academy TV educational program. This program is presented by Sir Robert, a dedicated teacher who teaches business studies and literature in English with a very high level of excellence. His teaching methods, we warmly invite students, parents, and the community to follow the Sir Robert educational programs.
All right. We have already looked at the types of production. And we have said that we have direct production and indirect production. We went ahead and explained direct production and indirect production. Now, let us look at the importance of production. Why do we have production? What is the importance of production? Do we have any person to tell us the importance of production? Answer. Among cheese the star boy.
Production, getting good service, subscribe, money,
creating what? And services. To satisfy human what? Needs and wants. So among Kiza the star boy is correct. Now, when we talk of creating goods and services to satisfy human needs and wants, remember, in our daily life, we need goods and services for consumption and for also selling. Therefore, there are those goods that satisfy human needs and wants. Examples of goods and services that satisfy human needs. Human needs include food. So we need food. Without food, we die. We die of hunger. Then there are those goods that satisfy human wants, like the transport means, like the cars, the motorcycles, the bicycles. Therefore, the importance of production is that it helps us to create goods and services in order to satisfy the human needs and wants. That is one. Number two. Is this Agnes? Yeah? Okay, Agnes, you're most welcome.
Importance production number 2. Job creation.
Job creation. Job what? Creation. Job what?
Creation. Bravo.
Okay. Job creation. Now, when we are producing goods and services, remember, in order for the production to take place, there has to be workforce, including the workers. You need people to come and work in the production process. Am I clear?
Yes.
Now, you need sellers, people that go and sell your products you have produced. Am I clear?
Yes.
You need transporters. Am I clear?
Yes.
People that transport your goods and services from one place to another. All of those people that we have said or we have mentioned, they make our importance number 2 that we say job creation. You have employed transporters like the drivers. You have employed the workers to make the production process. You have employed people that sell your products and services. Are we together?
Yes.
Do we have number 3? Do we have number 3? Number 3. Do we have William today?
The importance number 3 is improve the
living standard.
Improves the living standard. Improves what? The living standard. The living standard. Improves the living standard. Now, remember the importance in number 2 we have said is job creation. You have already employed people. You have already created jobs. When you create jobs, you are going to start paying these people as your workers, as the sellers. You are going to be selling. You earn money. When you earn money, remember, businesses pay tax. When they pay tax, the revenue generated from the tax fund make the government able to fund the public services like the education sector, the health sector, the security services sector. That looking at all of that, we are improving the living standard. Because we are producing goods and services. If you have food, you improve your living standard. If you are not having food, you cannot improve the living standard. If you have a job, meaning you are earning some cash, so you are improving your living standard. Do we have number 4? Number 4. Tatu haji for the first time.
Thanks, sir. Importance of production. Number 4. Increase government revenue.
Increasing government revenue.
Tobacco. Kenya.
Increasing government revenue. When we say increasing government revenue, now here comes a scenario. Remember we said that when you are making production, there are some taxes like the income tax, the taxes that the businesses pay to the government. Now, when those taxes are paid to the government, like the levy taxes, pay as you earn, at the same time, those people that are working, they also buy goods and services to satisfy the human needs and wants. Through the tax collected by the government raises revenue. Are we together?
Yes.
We go to number 5. Do we have number 5? Number 5. What's up? Subira. Omari Mazombure.
Importance of production. Number 5 is boost economic activity.
Boost economic activity. Thank you, Segudu Turayo. Any other who can clarify? Ramadhani.
Thank you, sir. Contact number 5 for production. It is improve the economy. It is boost the economic development.
Boost economic Boost economic development. How will the economic, how will the development be boosted? Through the revenue generated by the government through taxes. When people are paying taxes, when people are buying goods and services to satisfy their human needs and wants, when people are having jobs, indirectly or directly, they boost the economic development. Are we together?
Yes.
Do we have any question? No question?
Yes.
Thank you.